Red light.
Yeah, you're recording. I just want to say something.
Okay. Whatever you say, you are liable for in a court of law.
Let's get it. Fuck bitches.
Get money. Get money.
Money.
Get money. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Woo!
Fuck bitches, get money.
What is up, YouTube? It is your boy,
Darren Bear Johnson.
Darren Bear Johnson. It is. You get a big old smooch? Okay. Let me just like hit you in the forehead. It is recording. Is this thing on? Is this Megan? Would you like to say anything on behalf of field lining?
Lib blub blub.
Lib blub blub. MILF. MILF. Man, I love field lining. Let me put this bad boy down.
So, older than God herself. Excuse me. So, this is gonna be East Coast crowd tonight. They will give you no love. Just know. You have to create that energy for yourselves, and you have to do it together. Remember what Jesus was saying at the beginning, it's not one or two people at 120%, it's all of us at 100%. Okay? When I was marching, they said that when you go to Allentown, it'll chew you up and spit you out and won't care. So you gotta push back against it. It's a crazy place. Have a great show.
Let's go. Booze.
Let's go! Allentown!
Sit. Duh, 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 duh.
It's been many years since I visited this place. I can vividly remember tragedies that happened on such a fateful day, the likes of which I have never forgotten.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Once hell started raining down, it didn't stop for what seemed like an eternity.
5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am speed.
We were hit from above.
Top Gun Maverick. 1, 2, 5, 6.
We were trapped.
Five, six, seven, turn and burn. Rhythm X Flex all day. Beyblade, Beyblade, let it rip.
Just as water poisons the air, so our hope is replaced with fear.
Stacy's mom has got it going on. She's all that I wanted and I waited for so long. Stacy, can't you see? You're just not the girl for me. I know it might be wrong, but I'm in love with Stacy's mom.
Great. Fantastic run through, everybody. Brass, we'll see you on the backside line and one warm-up zones.
Oh yeah. Woo. That was nice.
That was a kill me type of run.
Yeah, I like your GoPro, Frank.
It fucking flew up like 5 times in the fucking L. Every time I did like one of the head visuals, it flew around.
Oh man.
And I have like a lot of those.
Hey Darren,
Hello.
is that a GoPro?
It do be a GoPro.
Oh my god. Trumpet,
It's not mine, I stole it.
Trumpet cone photo.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to turn this thing off. Just by yanking it off my head.
Is this thing up? I think I just heard it die.
Goodbye.